This video I'll be showing you guys how to mint the Starknet ID, guys. Okay, it's quite simple and I'll be making use of my mobile phone for this video. So please, if you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe and like my videos and also share them, guys. Okay, it will help me a lot, guys. All right, so for this video, what you need is your Kiwi browser and you need the Agent Wallet extension. This is it right here. This is what you need. This right here, you need this. You need to install this or download it, add it to your Kiwi browser. It's an extension. Okay, so this is what you need. As you can see, I have other extensions, but this is what you need right here, Agent X. All right, so that's what we'll be using for the sake of this video. All right, so this is how it looks like. This, so make sure you're on testnet. Make sure you're on testnet. All right, so when you change that to testnet, you head over to this website right here, goalie.app.starknet.id. okay, I'm going to drop the website in the description of this video so you can easily copy it. All right, so this is it, goalie.app.starknet.id. so what you don't have to do simply is just to connect your wallet. As you can see, mine is connected here. When you click on connect, it is going to connect and you will confirm transaction in your Agent X wallet here, right here. So let's go. All right, so this is it now. I'm going to disconnect my wallet. Okay, I'm going to disconnect my. Okay, so this is it right here. So now these are my IDs which I've minted. It's going to come up right here. You see them. So for you that is just starting, what you just have to do is to click on this plus. So these are my IDs right here. These two. These are my IDs. So for you that is just starting, you click on this plus sign right here. You click on this and you confirm transaction in your Agent X wallet. So once you've done that, you click on your ID, which is this Starknet.id, and you click on your Twitter. As you can see here, I've verified my Twitter. So you verify for your Discord and Reddit. Okay, so that's what you have to do for all these social accounts. You have to verify. As you can see, it's showing question mark on these two right here, showing question mark right here. So what I just have to do is to verify. So for you also have to verify. So that's just it, guys, for Starknet ID. It's quite simple and easy to use. So go through this video and like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, I'm begging, subscribe, guys. All right, so thank you, and I'm going to see you in my next video.